Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Genmoji on any iPhone. So I'm provide full guide, don't worry. So at first open your any conversation, like open my message. Okay, open this. So look here, showing it to emoji option, just click on and click on this option and search here to Genmoji. Okay, press on to done, then you just wait a few seconds, then showing it to more. So look at this and select on. Now I'm select this. Okay, then successfully add this, so click on and check. Now add. So look here, now successfully add. So that's how we can easily use this.